Hello guys, today we are playing nerf. Ooh, what happened? Ooh, we rightfully won. I know this. Okay, next round we're gonna win. Let's pick this team tag. Team tag. I'm gonna beat everyone. Just watch. This is my gun. Yeah, I used to play this game as well. Also, yeah. So make sure to like, subscribe, cause I really need it. I know this didn't really post that much, been busy with the school and stuff. So, yep. So let's try and find some people. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. What? Keep playing, guys. Keep playing, let's keep playing. So you only gonna do one round to see if you're gonna win. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, ah! Suck. Okay, let's go, 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 go. Ah! Let's go, kill them. Ah! Okay. Where are you people? Uh-oh. 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 We're going down, going down, we're going down. Why are you lagging? I need to lower my graphics or something. I don't know why it's lagging. I don't like lags. Okay, keep go, 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 go. This way. To the right. Shoot, shoot. Kill people down. And I'll fight. This ball killed him with the grenade. Though I think the part I don't know what I was gonna say. I just know I killed him with a grenade. It was worth it. Ooh, they got 30 now so far. At least people dying out too. So this is good. What? Bro. Okay, go, 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 go. I'm sorry I'm making 10 minutes video. I'll figure out how to make longer videos. So congratulations. Now you can make longer videos. So yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. What? Kids, watch. Watch this. Dun 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 dun. Beep 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 beep. Shot down. Grenade. Stole. Stole my key. Stole the key. And fly. How I miss all the shots. Like, come on. That's like dumb. At least got scope on this thing. On this gun. This nerfy gun. Oh, you shot through blah, blah, blah. We cannot lose. Actually, we're in 60 people more dying. Blue team, 15 actually. What just happened? Yeah, so 14 people need to die and we won. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go. Go the story. Yes, go, kill them. Triple attack. Five more, five more. We're gonna win three. Three more. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Two, one, and we're gonna win. Caught that. I jinxed it. I jinxed it. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Attack 13 people. 20. Okay, let's pick that. Yeah, just go pick a map and make sure to like and subscribe. And we're gonna end the video. Bye.